Hello. So well students, we are already learned few problems on pair of linear equation in two variables. In that, so we have discussed about 5 to 6 problems, and also in last class I was given few problems related to exercise 3.3. Now I will continue the same problems. Observe carefully. Now I will write a question. Yes, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Now you can observe carefully. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is one linear pair of equation, and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. How much it is? Minus 24. And hence to find the value of m, they are given linear equation y is equal to mx plus 3. First you can take these two equations. So let us take 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Call this as equation 1. Remember once again, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Call this as equation 2. Now let us take the another equation. Which is that equation? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Call this as equation 2. Now here it has two equations. In these two equations we have to find x value and y value. For that you can go for substitution method. We are already studied about substitution method. Now what does it say? Let us take equation 1. Let us take equation 1. Which is that equation? Yes, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Remember, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. In this you can retain x as it is, y transpose to RHS. Now 2x is equal to 11, 3y transpose to RHS. It has positive sign, its sign changes to minus. So plus 3y will become minus 3y. Then x is equal to 11 minus 3y, it is 2 times x, but we want x value, you can cross multiply, it will go to denominator. Therefore, x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Call this as equation 3. Now, substitute equation, that is the x value in equation 2. Which is that equation? Yes, substitute x value in equation 2. Remember, 2x plus minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now replace x value as 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Therefore, 2 times x is 11 minus 3y divided by 2, that is x value. So 2 we have written as it is, x value we have substituted, minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now you can simplify and find y value. So remember, it is there in numerator 2 times that one and divide by 2. 2 ones are to be cancelled. Now remaining 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. How much it is? Minus 24. Therefore, 11 minus 2y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now, observe these two. Minus 3y and minus 4y are the variable y, like terms with like sign. Then what we have to do? Yes, we can add these two. 11 minus 3y and minus 4y is minus 7y, which is equal to RHS as it is. Now 11 transpose to RHS, minus 7y is equal to minus 24, plus 11 will become minus 11. Now minus 7y is equal to minus, add these two, because to minus 24 minus 11 is minus 35. So 11 and 24 is 35. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So both are having same sign. So we have to add. Therefore, y is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 7. Minus by minus is plus. 7 ones are 7. How many times divides 35? 7 5s are. So y is equal to 5. Now we got y value as 5. So with the help of this, you can find x value. So how to find x value? For that, we are already known x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Therefore, take equation, which one? 3. Substitute x is equal to 5. Now write down the equation 3. That is x is equal to, x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Now what is the value of y? We have calculated, it is 5. Therefore, x is equal to 11 minus 3 times 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to 11 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. So x is equal to difference of these two, minus 4 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2, because 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now we got x value as minus 2, y value as 5. These two are called solutions of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Read that question once again. Hence to find. Again we have to find m value. The equation is given. Which is that equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. In this equation, you have to find m value. Yes, here c is 3, mx plus 3. What is the value of y? Yes, it is 5, which is equal to m into x value minus 2 plus 3 as it is. Now 5 which is equal to plus into minus, minus 2 into m, 2m plus 3. Now group like terms. 2m transpose to LHS, 5 transpose to RHS. Minus 2m become plus 2m, which is equal to 3 plus 5 will become minus 5. So 2m is equal to, what is the difference of 3 and 5, which is 2? The bigger sign is minus. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 by 2. M is equal to minus 2 ones are 2 ones are. So like this we have to find m value. Once again look here. Here they are given the statement. So that is verbal statement. With the help of that you can find x and y value. For that we have chosen, the first one is first equation, second one is second equation. After that take equation 1. Let us take equation 1. So we have taken. So retain x as it is, y shift to RHS. That is called transpose to RHS. Now 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So we don't want 2x value. We have to calculate x value. For that x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Here product sign is there. That's why it will go to denominator of the RHS. Therefore x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Call this as equation 3. After this, substitute x value in equation 2. Because we are already taken equation 1. So there we have calculated x value in terms of y. So therefore you can substitute or take equation 2. Which is that equation 2? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. After this, substitute x value as 11 minus 3y divided by 2. 2 is there in numerator and 2 is there in denominator with product sign. So 2 ones are cancel. Remaining 11 minus 3y minus 4y as it is equal to minus 4. Group the like terms on one side, constants on other side. So minus 3y minus 4y will become minus 7y. 11 transpose to RHS. So minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. We got y value as 5. So exactly we got y value as 5. After this take equation 3. Because you are already calculated y as constant, it has 5. Then x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute y value as 5. Simplify x value, it is minus 2. So therefore we have calculated x value and y value. So this problem will not complete. Hence to find. So further we have to find the value of m. So in the equation y is equal to mx plus 3. Therefore write down that equation y is equal to mx plus 3 and substitute y value 5. X value minus 2. Simplify, we got minus 1. Like this, we have to find x value and y value and also find m value. So like this, many problems are there. We have to work out one by one. Yes, probably I think you are following well in the same way. So you have to work out problems related to your textbook. Now I would like to take another problem, that is verbal problem. So very interesting problem. A fraction. I will write the problem so you can observe carefully. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added. 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator, yes, to both the numerator and the denominator So 2 is added for both numerator and denominator full stop. If 3 is added, if 3 is added to both the numerator, and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Yes, very interesting problem. Here you have to know numerator, denominator, and a fraction. What do you know about a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole thing. It consists numerator and denominator. For example, observe here, 2 by 3 is a fraction, 4 by 7 is a fraction, 7 by 9 is a fraction, so x by y is a fraction. Observe here, 2 by 3 is a fraction because a fraction is a part of a whole thing. 4 by 7 is a fraction. 7 by 9 is a fraction. X by y is a fraction. Like this. So here, upper part, all these call it as a numerators. So therefore, numerator is a x in this expression. And 3, 7, 9 are denominators. So here, in general, y is a denominator. Therefore, you have to remember a fraction is a part of a whole thing. Fraction consists numerator and denominator. Therefore, we have to choose. Let the fraction is yes, x by y. So we have chosen that fraction as a x divided by y. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to find x value and y value. Now read the statement. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added. Remember this word? A fraction will becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added for both numerator and denominator. Here numerator is x, denominator is y. For this you have to add plus 2 and plus 2. So remember, for both numerator and denominator we have added plus 2. It will become 9 by 11. This is a first equation. Now let us simplify this equation. What we have to do? You can cross multiply because it is a proportion. Two fractions are equal or two ratios are equal, then that is said to be proportion. It is nothing but x plus 2 into 11, which is equal to y plus 2 into 9. Now what we have to do? Use right distributive property. 11 times x is 11x plus 11 2s are 22, which is equal to 9 into y, 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Now 11x, 9y shift to LHS minus 9y. So this 22 shift to RHS, which is equal to 18 already there. 22 will become minus 22. So 11x minus 9y, which is equal to, so remember the difference of these two, plus 18 minus 22. 22 is bigger sign minus, difference of these two is 4. So therefore we got first equation 11x minus 9y is equal to how much it is? Minus 4. We got the one equation, one linear pair of equation with two variables. Next, read the statement to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, so 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Observe that 3. Actually, we know that x is numerator and y is denominator. For this, we have to add 3 for both numerator and denominator. That must be equal to how much? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Now you can cross multiply. Yes? X plus 3 into 6, which is equal to y plus 3 into 5. Now what we have to do? We have to express in terms of x and y variable. So x into 6 is 6x, plus into plus, plus 6 3s are, yes, 18, which is equal to 5 into y, 5y, plus 3 5s are 15. Then 5y transpose to LHS, 18 transpose to RHS. Now 6x plus 5y will become minus 5y is equal to 15, right, as it is. 18 shift to RHS, it is minus 18. So 6x minus 5y is equal to difference of these two. Yes, it is minus 3. So now we got 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Call this as equation 2. We got two equations. One is 11x minus 9y, which is equal to minus 4. Another one is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So using these two equations with the help of substitution method. Which method? Substitution method. You can find x value and y value. We already know the procedure. Yes, take equation 1. Take equation 1. Yes, which is that equation? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Minus 9y transpose to RHS. So 11x is equal to minus 4. Minus 9y will become plus 9y. Then x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Call this as equation 3. Call this as equation 3. Now take, yes, equation 2 and substitute x value as minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Yes, which is that equation 2? 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Here you can substitute x value. 6 times x is minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now 6 and 11 is not possible to divide because there is no common multiplier. So take LCM for these two. So here in denominator nothing is there, it has 1. For 1 and 11, 11 is the LCM. How much is the LCM? 11. So 6 times minus 4 plus 9y minus 5 into 11 into y is equal to minus 3. Because 1 how many times divides 11? 11 times. So 11 into 5, so 55. Simplify that one. Plus into minus, minus. 6 4s are 24. Plus into plus, plus. So 9 into 6, yes, 6 9s are 54 into y minus 11 5s are 55 into y. So is equal to cross multiply. Minus into plus minus 3 11s are 33. Again minus 24 right as it is plus 54y minus 55y. One is plus, another one is minus. You can find the difference of these two. So therefore 55, so minus 55 plus 54 is minus y which is equal to minus 33. Now minus y shift to RHS, 33 shift to LHS. Minus 24 plus 33 will become y. Now difference of these two again. What is the value of y? So remember 33, you can subtract 24, take borrow 10 13, 13 minus 4 is 9. Therefore, so 9 is equal to y, or y value we got 9. So we got y value 9. So how to find x value? It's very easy. Take equation 3. Which is that equation? X is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into y value 9 divided by 11. So which is minus 4 plus 9 9s is 81. So 9 9s are 81 divided by 11. Again, so 81 minus 4 is 77 by 11. So x is equal to 11 1s are 11 7s are. So x we got 7. Now write the required fraction. Therefore, the required fraction is, which is the fraction you have taken, x by y. Therefore x by y, what is x? Yes, it is 7. Divided by what is y? It is y. So 9. Therefore 7 by 9 is the required fraction. 7 by 9 is the required fraction. So it is a very lengthiest one. You have to remember these steps one by one. Once again, I would like to recall. Observe here. So read the statement. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added for numerator and denominator. Actually, we have taken x by y is a fraction. X is numerator, y is denominator. For this numerator and denominator, we have to add 2 on numerator as well as denominator. Then the result will become 9 by 11. 9 by 11. You can cross multiply. So x plus 2 into 11, which is equal to y plus 2 into 9. You can simplify. You will get an equation 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Call this as equation S1. After this, for both numerator and denominator, we have to add 3. X divided by y we have taken. For this we have to add 3. Then the result will become 5 by 6. So that is x plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Cross multiply and simplify. We got another linear equation which is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Call this as 2. Now using these two equations, we are already known. These two equations are said to be pair of linear equation in two variable. You can find x value and y value. Take equation 1. Yes, 11x minus 5y is equal to minus 4. Retain x on LHS. So shift YR to RHS. Then the result will become x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Call this as equation 3. After this, substitute x value as minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11 in equation 2. What does equation 2 says? It says that 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So substitute x value as minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. By taking LCM for 1 and 11, we can simplify. We got y value as 9. Exactly a constant. Y value as 9. Then take equation 3. Yes, which is that equation? That is 3. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into 9 because y value is 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 4 is how much? It is 77. Therefore, 77 divides 11 7 times. We know that 11 sevens are 77. Then the x value will become 7. So x is 7 and y is how much it is? Yes, 9. So using these two equations, we have chosen x is numerator and y is denominator. Therefore, the required fraction is x by y. That is x by y is equal to 7 by 9. So like this. So another two verbal problems are there. You have to work out in your home. Later on, continue the next method. Thank you everyone.